in today's video, we are going to dive into how to actually connect the Meta Pixel with your WordPress. Okay, so this is very important if you want to, know what is going on with your ads and you're connecting your page. So the first thing we're going to do is go on plugins and add a plugin, then search plugins and go for Meta. Okay. So I have already installed this and activated, but you need to install it and activate it. So after that, you're gonna go in install plugins, and you're gonna search for this Meta plugin, okay? And then go on settings, okay, and get started, okay? Then you need to sign up or sign in into login, sorry, into your Meta account. I already have it because I have a lot of WordPress websites, so yeah. But you will need to log in, okay? So I will continue, and then next is very easy. And then you have to choose a business portfolio. This is mine. Okay, this is mine. Next, and then you have to change your page, and then you have to use your uh, Instagram account and then your ad account. Okay, in this case would be have to see that. Let me have a second. If I go to campaigns, I will see which one is mine. Mine is 349 and it ends in 017. Okay, so let me see this. Yep, it's this one. So next, and what we're gonna do is create a new one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is the what ZEM Marketing. That would be my website pixel. Okay, I just name a pixel. If you have a lot of pixels like me, as you just saw, I would really recommend you to just use a normal pixel. Like you will remember that is all. Okay, just as a suggestion for you, because I have some problems sometimes that I just don't remember which one's one. Which one is the one that I want to use. So yeah, Metapixel is good. Automatic. Okay, use information from your customers provided, like email address to match your website. Yep, let's turn that on, and yeah, continue. And then this is gonna be really easy. You just have to go next, link in your accounts, and yeah, as you see, it's a really easy process. I think the only difficulty is that you have to log in into your Meta. That sometimes can be fucking hard. I don't know why. Um, but yeah, man, it's really easy. Let's see how long does it take this to. Okay, and you're all set, done. And then when I go back to my ads manager, and I go to events manager, you are gonna see that I have my pixel connected. And that is why I love, that is one of the things that I love about this. I love about WordPress. It's so easy to just have a pixel connected instead of just having a coder website. So this would be, yep. Now, if you want to set up the the it hasn't received any activity, is normal because you just set it up. Um, just take it. Okay, now when you are here, what you need to do, because you haven't received any activity, to see if everything is correct, you go on test events, okay, and confirm. Okay, you can go on, copy this, open the Graphic Explorer, and you have to copy this, okay, as I said, and then you have to paste it here, and then generate access token. Give me a second. Nope, not this one, sorry, not this one. Submit, sorry, it was submit, and yep, it is working, as you see right there. So right now we have our website working, and yes, you can see that our website is working already. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.